Exercise need to be done before total knee replacement surgery, which helps patient to recover faster after the surgery. First exercise is ankle pumps. Move ankle up and down 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second exercise is static quads. You have to keep one towel roll under the knee and press the knee on it. Start pressing the knee on the towel. Squeeze. 1, 2, 10 times. Other leg. 1, 2, 3. Third exercise is straight leg raise. You have to bend one knee and lift the other leg to the level of other knee. 1, 2, 3, 10 times. Same with other leg. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Fourth exercise is straight lying side abduction. You have to move your leg out and in. 1, 2, 3. Other leg. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Fifth exercise is heel slides. You have to bend the knee and straight again. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Other leg. 1, 2, 3. Sixth exercise is sitting toe raises. 1, 2, 10 times. 3. Then seventh exercise is sitting heel raises. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Thank you.